Welcome to Lesotho.
Reho indonga so ungabreaki
Ihashile namazinyo.
elihlutsha nje.
We made it out the group chats. Hello, my Maposa squad. Households, Petsy Data. Just know Guti altitude might affect you differently. We'll be testing out Imaluti to get while cues. Yakopheka manje.
Sazobuya nje sazoshutha.
Sasifikile gogo, sasifikile.
Kahle lento le, senijisho neli.
Which means let us go. 1, 2, 3, go. Hello, Maposa squad. Welcome to Afriski. Another Boza, asambeni siyowenza ikhanda. I'm currently outside my hair appointment. We are going to do an install, and that is going to be our hairstyle for the trip. We're going on an international trip to Lesotho, and ngihamba nomyeni and abangani bethu. Sithe nje asike shy short left sibabone eLesotho and touch snow for the first time. So wena uzuhamba nami. You already know, if you are new here to this channel, ngithi welcome Boza, and if you are already a subscriber, wena kahle kahle we Boza. And if you too want to join Amaposa squad, kulula kakhulu, just press on that subscribe button njengamanje. Like a video, because that is what we do. Like higher, we like the video before watching, because I know you guys might forget. So let's go. So transform. I'm having tea. 2, 3. The next time you see me, we're cutting.
How? Hey. Veg.
Generation siapet. Thank you. I'm all done. This is us. This is our breakfast. Decided to change my outfits, Boza. Let's go to the Lesotho. And guys, they also feel the same way. We're doing this live thing for the first time. So I am home, Boza. I'm under my camera. My coffee camera. So let's go. It's Ania. Usuka man. Mangibuza ukuthi ngiphethe lento So Boza, asihambi sodwa sihamba nontanga nomakoti wakhe uFezeka. Uthiwa especially for young couples, meet other couples and see how they do things. Married couples, so they also married, and yeah, sizohamba nabo. We're traveling. Currently, they are putting things emotweni, and I'm just so excited. Kuzomnandi la. We are back on business. We just got a new memory card. Yeah, so yeah, I'm taking it. I'm gonna pay. How?
With card?
Yeah. Khona ngisho iBlackberry lana cabanga. Kade saya kaWoolies siyothenga izinto ezishoda ezincane. And then manje sengibuyile la kwi-camera yami. Kade ngivlogga ngefone. Yes, my baby. I'm so happy. You could put it down, sir.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Ngiyabonga. abantu laba bagijima.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
Bonke noma.
Angazi ukuthi ungena
Oh, that's so cool. Ozayami touchdown Lady Smith. And for sure uxakile ukuthi kwenzakalani, why sifuna la Lady Smith, so sizoshiya ingane kagogo and then siqhubeke nohambo. We are going to be staying at Clarence. So Clarence is basically 4 hours away from Durban. Mese sizulala khona, and then so bese sisukela khona sesiya eAfriski. We're actually going to eLesotho eAfriski. We are touching snow for the first time, Boza. I am so excited, and guess what? Angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba na ngihamba nomnyeni wethu. I can't remember umnyeni saying hello Maboza squad, so let us go. 1 2 3 go. Hello Maboza squad.
How are you, Maboza squad?
So-
This is my wife.
Yeah,
Hello,
yeah,
wife.
yeah. Mina nkosikazi. So guys, umnyeni uyena usibhukele lapha eClarence, and we cannot wait to see indawo. Mnyeni, what do you want to say about indawo yaseClarence lo usibhukele yona? Asiyazi indawo, so
Intswemi kakhulu.
it's basically like a surprise. So we're looking forward to seeing. So to check her in, and probably gonna do like a braai ebusuku and then sidle early in the morning because amabhoda ayagcwala. Sesiyahamba, sesiya eLesotho, siyongena, and then off to Afriski. We're gonna be touching snow for the first time. Sipractice sathini, uzobungitshela kanjani? Uzobungitshela kanjani?
Wena mawufika
Maybe-
kanjani ne? Sebenza kanjani?
So let's go for Zayam. Mafezeka guys. It's the sweetest. Usenzela ukudla cabanga. Kanyeka ma. Guys, I want to taste this chicken in Gamalayo.
Ungagcwele kanjani?
Inkukhu yakhona. Kuthiwa imnandi.
One crazy sweet sensation. You're all that I imagine. No question on my mind, girl. You make it happen. You make it happen. You make it happen. One crazy sweet sensation. You make it happen.
Uyintshela wena, uyintshela nobubele, uyintshela thandekayo. Soze ndibuqhele ubuhle bakho, ndimthanda kangangolwandle. Uyandinqumisa, uyandithanda, hleze seduze kwami. Ulisoja, ungumntu ebantwini, ndimthanda kangangolwandle. Moza, we just arrived and this is the time. It's freaking guys, so Clarence, it's 7:30. I have never seen so many stars in Yami. But now everyone is inside. Bayabona umuzi. I'm the last person outside. So sambeni siyowenza i-households phethe idladla.
Uyabona ubona kwi-TV. Ayo uyahalela, ufuna ukuyisondeza. Yasifomo, yasifomo, yasifomo. Namhlanje ngibamba iloto. Uyabona ubona kwi-TV. Ayo uyahalela.
Siphethe idladla. Yeah, the cold. It's a lot.
Come on. Come on. Oh, la 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 la, visita sin moto yo. Oh, la 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 la, someone wanna lot of us. Oh, yo 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 yo, you mean that you boss yo.
Bozade siyogqoka because it is flipping cold in here. Uyabanda. So we are warm now. And I'm making tea. Abanyeni they're making food. And we are making tea and food. Oh, listen to my papa conch. What? Cute things I want to show you. We have a fireplace. This is cute. And iyashisa isalento as we are actually feeling warm. And kukhona DVD like I want to show you a DVD. Kudlala inle. How super sport. That's nice. Hi DVD. Because we have a very early morning. We're thinking of waking up around 3. Siyahamba ngo-4, so fika at the border ngo-5 because we do not want any delays. We got the room. There's another room, 2 beds. But tomorrow I'm thinking ukuthi nabo give them the chance to belalela. So we're gonna call room service basically nabo belalela kusasa. Sizobona ekseni boza yami for now.
Good night.
Good morning, boza yummy. This is the time. We are up and ready. I wanna quickly take a bath. It's gonna be a long day. I really hope zonke izinto ihamba kahle lapha eborder. Singena kahle. We don't have any problems. Apparently there are long queues. Our whole goal is to get there in 5 because the border opens at 6. But there will be a line. Crossing fingers. We don't even experience that. So what imagine. I think I'm gonna wear this in Mudun because each jacket since we missing fair corner. I have a problem. My socks are too big for my boots, so many will have to do a plan about that. I wanna do a makeup, but I'm just gonna cheat it out since it's concealer. It's just for pictures. So it's yeah. So see I think we are the first people we border. This is the time that we arrived at Sijabulele. First like Sijabulele. We are happy. For that, we have arrived at the Lesotho border, and guess what? We are the first people in line. It is freezing. The way Bandanga, but we are feeling so excited and we cannot wait to touch snow. Looking Shilo because that is gonna be our biggest highlight. So to Allah ila so our passport to and get the stamp. Then get pinned say the line. There is Asla. Bakona nabanya abantu, but it's like 2 cars. Nayo girani. Nayo gelo rani. Guys, this feel in the line. So this is where we will get our stand. Nabe passing wa kitchen. Guys, we are back and the line is now so long. Nah, I'm a security lab. Guys, we are in Lesotho now. Yeah, we're still the first people, as you can see. And manje, our passports are stamped. So what's gonna happen now is sizohamba isizinto and sign the papers ukuthi are legally getting into another country. What I'm noticing is we don't have network, so that means we need SIM cards. So we're gonna do that. Sonke nje. Hapa nami wena akubandi akubandi. Umagacha.
Sibo number 1.
Oh, perfect, no blessing. Hi.
Sibo number 1.
So we are done. We couldn't take our phones in. So what happened lapayana ukuthi nje basamkela kahle eLesotho, and then after that we pay. So we pay 200 rand ungena, right guys? Yes. Yeah. Ya Coco, sesifikile. Sesifikile Coco, sesifikile.
70 rand. 124 rand.
124 rand.
Yeah.
Okay, so we done. We check the car.
What's it?
I'm say for rand.
Yes, yes, baby. Yes, yes.
It's
Yes.
25 rand for you to enter.
Oh, 125 rand.
Likweta nakoma.
Moto.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh, 10 p.m.
funny enough.
Okay.
She don't love me, she's just scared. Her hope is fun like
Riteng, lifikile. Sesifikile Coco, sesifikile. I am so happy.
I wanna know what she too down. Do you be my lady?
Khona le airtime le quickzayo guys. Oh, sesiphakathi indaba yama SIM card. I want to show you guys how to check. Huh? Star 111.
Star 100.
Ithini number yami?
Uzoyenzani?
Star
Sizofonelana kanjani?
What's up?
So guys, we're done now with our data. The process is not that long, but melulinde yabo. There are people right after airport and mungena that abakhona abasizayo, and then ama SIM card wona abe 100. Shuthi u30 rand we SIM card, 100 rand we data, which is 4 gig.
Iboka net.
So guys, that is the blanket. It does wayo.
Kathini iboka.
900. Sifuna kuyithenga and the hats. So we wanted to buy it here at borders before we singene phakathi because kuthiwa kuyabiza. Ungiphindela yini igama layo? Siana Marena. That is the blankets.
Semanamela manje. We're going to Africa. Ngamba nomngane wami. Uhlala ePokita. Nathi phambi ePokita.
Hayi!
Awuthi besiphe njalo.
Ngaba lo nkosikazi beyamemeza emuva.
Participant guys, first trip ungabanaki laba bacela ulift. Uzana ukuhleka, yebo bese lift amasini yahleka. So, yeah, so updates Nancy Marine.
Guys, the roads are curvy.
so easy, the sweetest thing. And it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part.
It's the sunrise and those brown eyes, yes. You're the one that I desire. When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the Tylenol I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh.
Yes.
Content creator in the making. Says speaking of Pozayami, welcome to Afriski.
We are born with TV. Are you a phone with Sunday?
Ini is vlogging. I can't wait to see this vlog. Please support.
Yes, you for more. Yes, you for more. Yes, you for more. I'm sending one too. We are born with TV. I we a phone with Sunday. Yes, you for more. Yes, you for more. Yes, you for more. I'm sending one too. Come on.
I'm boarding. We're probably gonna do that, and then we'll go to ski. So. Dlala ngathi. Uzosend so 1.5 babe.
Can say ski.
So we're gonna do that.
How? Send it to
Can't wait to
send it
take
to.
it from there.
Sure.
So sengifake izaza khona ezinye esiyiphethe so nazo soyifaka uzabona.
Come on.
I had to step outside because people use this. Angazi kwenzakalani basakhokha labo basathenga kube ngathi manje sengibalekela ukukhokha iqanda ngathi ngawushaya uhambe ngoba usaba lomuntu ozothi uyakulandela ezele ibhomu uqhubana. So Pozayami, we are doing a bump boarding, which is only $250 per person. Yes, in an hour, and hopefully, guys, akekho zolimala, konke kuzohamba kahle. Let's go. Walking on snow for the first time. Ah, nyawa ke mina langisho. Baby, ngiyacela ke. Hawaza ngibhore amaphuzu.
Sithembe kanjeni iphuzu lakho?
Hayi. Hayi. Ngeke ke kube mnandi for me. So ibhuzu lami it's slippery, guys. And kade sifuna ukwenza show ukuthi like amabhuzi awekho slippery. I'm so mad. Okay, babe, I want to describe to Amaposa how does it feel walking in snow. Ngathi ice, ubone ama crushed ice, mukade wash fridge again. Ngathi ikona ke. Wabeke phansi bese unyathela kona. Yeah, kodwa kuyashibilika kahle.
Namanga akushiliki.
Oh,
Are you sure?
so hamba kanje na. Hayi bandla kuyakhathaza ukunyuka guys. It's tiring. So manje usisi uzoshaya i-briefing. Kuzoba mnandi vele mesesehla. Kodwa for sure ukunyuka hayi it's a challenge.
And you make sure that you stop before you get to the net.
Hello.
How to stop? Okay. You stop with the heels down, and then you flip.
If you die, you die.
Can't wait.
Can't wait to experience this. Ukuthi into ayisekho dangerous. Mina ngifuna ibe dangerous nyana so. Ayisekho adventure sekesifundisile. Now the point of danger. Danger and ungazi kone kwenzakaleni. Ubudenge ngalezazi.
Nice, Kaya. Why shouldn't I tell vele? Siyachopheka manje. Siyakuhlopha sinocinga phela phela. Awubuka ufeza ngisamshutanga baby.
Usezobuya nje sezoshuthi. Senyakala nyazi ezanyamanje.
Shuthi senze kancane.
Thina sesiyapha eceleni.
You need to figure out how to stand up. Figure it out.
What happened?
Uthu iza kahle kanje le. Senijikisho neli. Maneze lento efault ngicela bengishintshele.
Ungavumi.
Akusahambeki ini manje. Tired? Injani ke kodwa?
Imnandi yona kodwa. Hayi bandla leyo.
Leshona eceleni?
Oh, ushona eceleni nesiqephu futhi nalokuthi kumele uwokhe wena.
Leyo kunyuka ushona phezulu.
Kumele kube khona inqola esishonisa phezulu. Yebo. Shooting is on the time. Call it a night. Call it a day of whiskey. Very nice but very active. Yeah, prepared to work. Kunjani baby?
Ngenze yonke ama-trick.
That is like a skateboard. Angithi.
Hayi.
Ya.
Lento lento yokushuru.
Wenza wonke ama-tricks masenzakalani?
Ngawenza. Lokhu ngibhubha nje njalo. Yonke into ekuthiwa ngiyenze emva lokho even kade ngifundisa iy'ntwana lapha. Ziyayenza
Uyabhubha,
zangikhombisa.
usuyayeka.
Mina ngizoya ngishaya isidudla ngishaya isipini.
Ngeke. Ungastophi, ungabreak. Break hoyindonga, sho. Ungabreak. Don't ungabreak. Wigwala. Ufenza kanjani lento? Uyenza kanjani lento? Hayi, yabona lento umnyamba ngenhlanhla. Yabona into engizasulayo. Nawo lento yenza ngenhlanhla. But unoyenzeka kumina futhi mina inhlanhla yami iyabheda. Yona inkinga. Ya.
Umyeni usutha kahle. Buka kwabantu uze badirect. Umyeni akangidirect ngabantu. Ka. You made it out the group chats.
Sesiphumile.
Lapho bengekho ngisho group chats guys. Bekuchatha ku TikTok.
Kusiphume.
Besichatha ku TikTok na Instagram. Sisendelana.
Bafetha amalento.
Oh yes. International.
International.
Nalabo sisenibacoshile
The boys trip is the best.
Guys, she's well traveled. A traveled. Ibani uyini globe. Uyayazi globe. International bay. International bay. Guys, spombodile shame, spombodile. Isikhathini sokwala manje. What's the time? Isibamba. So, isikhathi seku-11 and abantu sebeyaqala bayafika ke manje. Sekhona ngisho nanolayini lapha emuva. Suphelile kade ukhona. Ya, basakhona. Yeah. Sesilambile asambe sobheka ukuthi ama-restaurants sikhipha amen. Segcwele manje.
Hey, aziwe manje.
Saqasha iqatha la.
Into engiyidla yaba.
Ukuthi baby uyawonywa la. Ngonyiwe like uya.
Yeah.
So yilokho abantu ehlezi bethi niphatha amanzi.
Akho namandla ngiyabona. Tell the stream umuntu ophuza
Yabo, you drink the brand. On brand umnyenyana. Phuze extreme phela.
yena pente kho.
Yabo, ayikho yaka. Ngiyayifuna.
Nangithanda into eshemini phela.
Ini komutala.
Maluto.
Guys, we're gonna be testing out imaluti. This is a beer abayidayisa la aseLesotho. So yeah. Kuthiwa it tastes like beer. Ubeer nje, ubeer yini ubeer baby?
Cassette. Black Label. Stout.
Corona. So besizwe.
Corona.
No corona ubeer nje. Asithanda ubeer, you know, we drink on my side. One of our favorite drinks is uyayiveza baby into muyenza challenge yabona ngisho nothi mama baby. So we drink ciders. Sipuzani.
Side.
Currently sipuzani.
Extreme. And the city is maluto.
Yeah, moshi vito yami baby.
Man.
Manje le ngathi scared.
hayi lento le hayi
That is Stella. Ngathi I'm scared. Hansa.
yabo ngane ngathi setshontsha utshwala ekhaya umsebenzi
Gogo.
silentuzane uyohamba uyophuza lento le yona it tastes like lo
It even smells like that.
utshwala bomsebenzi lo
Yeah.
but phela baba bathanda imalodi la lentuzane
Ukali ngiphethe isisu mina ngiyakhulu. Yimbi lento le imosha imali. Imali impela.
angiyazi
Awubuze lapha.
imali ndale
But you 30 rand. It's even supporting the FIFA World Cup. Bashintshilo.
i-branding yabo
Blending. Amalu.
Okay, Afriski.
Yes. Review.
Nice. Amazing. Just know that if it's not snowing in Lesotho, it will be artificial ice, but it's still worth your time. Ungajiki just because it's artificial ice. It's still nice. It's still an experience that you won't get anywhere else. Bumboarding, it was nice. But
wena kade uyibaqake
udinga skin kancane, yabo.
And
But
kuba ngconyana
kumnandi.
kamnandi kakhulu if you are very an active person because they're up and down yabo.
The exercising.
Slow pace and exercise. And then you just tasted
Malut. Maluchi is fermentation for me. I can't. I'm sorry. It's just
is that kuyabanda but
nelanga.
ubanda khona.
Yes. Kubanda manje.
But I've heard
Ufike
before, Guti, when you're close to the snow, it's not as cold as it is when you're away from it.
Oh.
Yes, so
We're
that
learning
is a
about
bonus.
both.
Ama-jackets wakhumulile ngiyabona besigqokile, but sawakhumula. Maluti fermentation for me. Vele, I'm not a beer person, but I tasted it. It's just beer. There's nothing-
usakhuluma nge-altitude ubufuna ukuthini nge-altitude
Mina, inkinga engibe nayo ne-altitude is I struggled with breathing. Especially with the up and down. Ngithe ngive emotweni cabanga le ntaba incane kanjani, but I was huffing and puffing. So just know ukuthi altitude might affect you differently. Angazi ukuthi wenza
umandisa nje
but
yena
for me,
boza uloke ewudle ngalesa sikhathi uchephisi and angeke ngizuphume because mina ngivaleka indlebe ziyavaleka
Yeah,
nje
ziyavaleka
inhlobo and I can't hear you guys so ngiloye ngidla uchephisi. And then okunye ngikunotisile ukuthi we become very thirsty.
yes, your throat becomes very dry.
So
Ngathi
baphathe
ungaphuza
Nkosi yami,
amanzi,
baphathe.
bring water or bring
Oyiphuzayo
ijuice,
nje,
into
nathi-
ozoyiphuza
nathi siphuza
engasiyona
ama-Red Bull,
ibev
yeah.
because imphimbo uyaba dry.
Last question.
Ungabe usukhwehlela la
I
nomphela.
have a last question. Would you try Leah?
Skiing, yes.
Okay.
I would. If I didn't have a problem with my knee, I would
Abuphakazi.
have done it. Angisona umuntu oyikwala, so adrenaline rush.
Okay, enye into zithini ngama-restaurant?
Kuyagcwala la. They have, I don't know if they've got 2 or 1, but kuyagcwala. Queues, just know ukuthi
Fika
mawufuna ukudla
early.
la, come early, eat when you arrive, then play if you want to
Nakho
eat.
ukuphatha ukudla because manje
Nathi
we are
siphathileke,
sorted.
siphathile inyama sadla, si-right makuthi mhlambe siya-decide ukuthi sifuna ukubona kwi-restaurant siyobona. If it's not packed, siyakwazi ukuhlala, then mhlambe we'll have like a snack or whatever. I
So
don't know. I don't know what the
into
plan
asifike
is now.
early.
Yeah, come
Fika early khona
Suka early nje
uzo-export.
futhi. And during the week. Ungafiki nge-weekend.
Okay.
Um,
Namhlanje lesihlanu ne?
Today's Friday.
Okay.
We came on Thursday. Salala, Savuga.
Clarence,
Lesihlanu namhlanje. Sifike border, I think at 6. We were there. And everything was smooth. Inkinga yethu ukuthi kufika ibhasi.
Yay,
if that
after
bus
scene. Yay,
arrived
ifike
first
kuqala.
than us, ngabe bese we
Ibhasi bithwele abantu.
Sisheshe safika.
Yeah.
Bese number 1. Saphuma futhi number 1. Buy your SIM card as well.
Yes,
Because
buy your
network
SIM card.
ayikho, uyosokola.
Hayi ziyasho. Siyabonga.
Like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know what she too down. Do you be my leading lady?
in a few ways. Only been days, but it felt like months. I'm gone for a year, only feel like months. Life move fast and you do what you want. I decide what I want. Hope you one crazy sweet sensation. You're all that I imagine. No question on my mind. You make it happen. You make it happen. You make it happen. One crazy sweet sensation. You make it happen.
Yeah, uyintshela wena, uyintshela nobubele, uyintshela thandeka yo. Soze ndibuqhele ubuhle bakho, ndimthanda kangangolwandle. Uyandinumisa, uyandithanda, hleze seduze kwami. Ulisoja, ungumntu ebantwini, ndimthanda kangangolwandle. Ndithi, "Woy." Guys, we saw horses and we asked to take videos of them. Ihashile namazinyo.
Lihle utshani nje. Asi.
Asante akaro watu wangu ni kupejele mpete kanya asela mu. Na kawa chokonya achete nyane.
Thank you for visiting Lesotho, Tsamaya ka Kgotso, which means go in peace. Oh, okay.
Minimum 5 to 7 days.
Yes, all you gotta do is say yes. Nothing about what you feel, baby, undress you, baby. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. All you gotta do is say yes. Nothing about what you feel, baby, undress you, baby. Open up your mind and just rest. I'm about to let you know you make me so. You make me so.
So guys, right now we are grabbing lunch. We went around exploring Clarence, Sila, Fire and Fork. So let's go and dine in.
Oh, there is a misplata, ne? Ile kade senzile endlini. Okay, kade ngeke chicken and noodles.
That is so cool. That is so cool. That seems fun. I don't know. Kumele ngihambe kwehlahla nabanye ukuthi siyenze. Iyangikhalisa kodwa we've done it so many times amaze plan. Sisalinde ukudla, si-order ukudla. I really hope kumnandi kuzindilela mina. This is a child's area. Oh, this is so cute. Ngathi kuvaliwe. Oh, this is so cute. This is just so cute. Everything about this place is so cool. Look, 1, there's 2 La Bayana. 2, 3. Sacrifice, I'm not allowed to be in. I don't know if I'm allowed or what. Zip line. Lala guys, kuhle ngiyithanda i-vibe. Ja, inseka khona ama slides adlalayo la. Inseka nohlakani ngalala ematshwaleni aye. Ngiyalala manje ematshwaleni. Hle nama-2K phela. Lapha ama-2K yaphuza amatiye nkosi yami. Hawu.
2K.
Hawu lona. Guys, siyahamba. We are all exhausted now. Sisifuna ukuyolala ngeke phela sivuke ngo-4. I want to say something. The food was not bad, but I didn't like the chakalaka thing that was going on. It tasted like acha, and mina ngihlala eDubani. I don't fucks with acha. So we were expecting a chakalaka, but it wasn't chakalaka. Nangu ubaba uqoke imisigqoko.
Paradise.
Where uyakhulile? Uyakhumbula mfazana?
No, I don't.
We are all tired now, very tired.
So bad.
Let's nap.
Leli ka size.
Guys, we woke up. Copyright spell. Guys, we woke up and we're just having a few drinks. As I said, I mean, I kind of feel bad because God did will. I'm like, let me come and join him. What's the fireplace? Kusasa we're checking out la before 10, and then we're going back to Durban. Yeah.
Ngaphetheleni ngangibuza ukuthi ngiphetheleni lento ngayilento ngayibambele
Morning guys. I did in fact together from a video and everyone's still asleep until opening the April fast. And I got the man over there 8 times. So yeah, let's make breakfast. Mrs. Anderson Poker together. sesidlile and I am fresh and sengimuhle ngigqoke pink namhlanje yabona crocs sami. Silale eClarence, guys, which is 45 minutes away from Lesotho, and I think I would advise everyone to do the same because it just makes life so much easier if kunokuthi going just straight to Lesotho, because the drive is quite long and imgaqo yini kodwa not that bad ngendlela kade besho ngayo ku TikTok.
I'm on your side now. You got me on your side now. Yeah.
Welcome to Lesotho.
It's the sweetest thing, and it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how.
Sunrise and those brown eyes, yes, you're the one that I desire. When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice.
Boza sihamba siloke sima sibuka ama landscapes. These are the beautiful landscapes akhona.
Hello, Mafosa Squad!
Boza mfethu waze kamnandi. Ngizokubona kwenye international trip coming very soon. Ngikuthanda kakhulu, ngiyabonga for watching until the very end. Okwanamhlanje kulungile ke. Bye. Sesiyahamba siya ekhaya. Catch you on the next one. Babe, catch you on the next